Imagine this. Mark was drowning in debt and couldn't see a way out. Sound familiar? But by following a few simple steps to financial freedom, he turned his life around. Today, he's debt-free, saving for the future, and has financial peace of mind. How did he do it? Let's dive into his journey and how you can do the same. By following these steps, track your spending. Like Mark, the first thing you need to do is get clear on where your money is going. Every dollar counts. Mark used a free budgeting app like Mint or YNAB that changed his life. These tools are easy and quick to set up, and they help you spot where you're overspending. Cut unnecessary expenses. It's not about sacrifice, it's about making smart financial choices. Mark cut things like unused subscriptions and impulse buys, and the results were instant. You'd be surprised how quickly the little things add up. A simple save money tip? Review your bank statements and see where you can cut back. Build an emergency fund. Once Mark saved some money, he built a financial security net, a small emergency fund. This fund stopped him from turning to credit cards during tough times. Even a few $100s can make a big difference. Start investing. Early. Mark didn't wait for the perfect moment to start investing. He began small with low-cost index funds and let time work its magic. You don't need thousands to start, just consistency. Check out books like The Intelligent Investor or Rich Dad, Poor Dad to learn about investing for beginners. Stay consistent. The real key? Financial discipline. Mark stuck to his budget, saved, and invested regularly. Financial freedom didn't happen overnight, but it did happen because he stayed consistent. And one more important step he took: stop wasting his time. In his free time, Mark read some game-changing books like The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey and Your Money or Your Life by Vicky Robin. He also watched Stefan and Andrei Jik on YouTube for actionable financial advice. If Mark can do it, so can you. It all starts with small steps: budgeting, saving, investing, and staying consistent. Take control of your money today, and you'll be amazed at where you can be in a year. Hit that subscribe button and join me for more financial freedom tips.